Welcome back, you guys. It's your girl Chi, and I am having an amazing makeup day. If you want to see the products that I use to recreate this look, then you might want to continue watching. It's awesome. Welcome back. It's your girl Chi. We're going to start the video off a little bit differently today. We're going to try ASMR. Do you know what those are? They're dried okra chips. Rude. Do you want to hear the crunch? You don't want to hear the crunch. We're going to hear the crunch anyways. We got a good one. Just to make sure you can hear the crunch perfectly. Okay, you guys, I'm done messing with you. So I do have some products that I wanted to try out, and one being the primer. So this is the Ole Hendrickson Banana Bright Face Primer and the Milk Makeup Primer. So I want to try these out today because they are super hyped up. So let's see what the hype is all about. Okay, so with the banana primer, it says that it instantly illuminates, hydrates, and improves foundation wear all day with vitamin C. So the vitamin C property is what brightens. And the milk foundation, the milk primer that we have here, it's a grip primer. And it says hemp-derived cannabis extract. Okay. Is that where we're getting the green from? Maybe. Blue agave extract activates all-day hydration and hold. So we will be testing this out. I'm thinking I'm going to place this on my forehead, and I'm going to place this everywhere else because I feel like my foundation normally breaks up in these areas here. So that's where I'm going to place the gripping primer. Okay, so it doesn't have a banana smell, but it definitely has the orange smell. So it does smell like an orange. I think that it is definitely giving me some glow. Yeah, I can definitely do this for a no makeup day. So like you do your eyebrows, put a little mascara on, put this primer on, and you're good to go. So this is the milk primer, gripping primer, and I'm just going to put this everywhere else on my face. It has a weird smell. It smells very familiar. Not a good familiar, but it definitely has a familiar smell. It's not like a perfumey type smell. It's like, I don't know, like I don't know. Yeah, I can't put my finger on it. So I think I'm going to let that dry down, get a little tacky, and then I'm going to go in with my foundation. Okay, so JLo's makeup artist in the video started off with a concealer, and that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to warm up this concealer in my hand, and this is the Fenty matchstick in the shade Bamboo. So I'm just going to warm that up and then apply it. And I'm going to smooth it out with this Smashbox cream cheek brush. Even though it's supposed to be for your cheek, this is a brush, okay? You can use your brush for anything you want. So today you will be a concealer brush. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Fenty foundation, and this is in the shade 300. This is a new bottle, so I ran out of my old one, and this is more of my winter shade. The other one I had more of my summer shade. Okay, so the foundation blended out nicely over the primers. Next, I'm going to take two of my concealers. I'm going to take the Fenty as well as the Cover FX concealer, because the combo, I really like this combo. Sorry, I'm not sorry. Okay, so I normally put this here, and then the Cover FX here. Okay, so I'm just going to blend out these concealers. I swear, like, these concealers are so good. See, I could just tell I'm going to have a good makeup day. Like, this is why Fenty is my favorite foundation, hands down. Never fails me, ever. I don't think I've ever had a bad makeup day wearing Fenty. I am going to set using the blotting powder. I don't know, just lately I don't like setting with anything else. I really like this blotting powder to set. I like the finish of it in the long run, so. And we're just doing a light dust. Yes, like, girl, where'd you get your makeup done? So we're going to move on to bronzing, and this is my favorite bronzer. As you can see, we're hitting pan, and I do need to get more. And if you don't know, this is the Rimmel London bronzing powder, and this is in the shade Sunlight. I absolutely love this bronzer because you can always OD on it and it just looks perfect each time. Perfect. Now for blush, I'm going into my NYX, and this is in Strictly Chic. It's a peachy color. So it has more of that ombre. So good, yummy goodness. And I'm going to dust this. Okay, so I'm going to do my eyes off camera because I feel like this is mainly about the primers and how they work. I've already reviewed the Fenty foundation before. You know, I absolutely love it, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish my look off camera so the video is not extra long, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, this eye look came out so bomb that I had to insert a clip on how I did it. But yeah, so bomb. I forgot, I almost picked, I also picked up the e.l.f. This is the Baked highlighter, and this is in the shade Apricot Glow. I wanted to try this out. It looks really pretty. It's like that coppery gold. It's not as, well, okay, there we go. Okay. That's pretty. Going to see if I can put a little bit of this on my brow bone. I'm not sure if it's going to show up or not. Hopefully it does. Let's see here. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to take the Kylie and Exposed lip liner, and I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Fawn Over Me. You know what? We're gonna go a little bit darker. I'm actually going to take the Milani and darken up the lips just a little bit. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look, and oh my god, like everything turned out so bomb, you guys. My foundation and everything looks so good. It looks so good in person, and I would say that the primers are working. Everything looks so smooth. It looks like a really good, flawless makeup day. I'm really feeling everything that I tried on. This highlighter, so bomb. I picked it up from TJ Maxx, and I think it was like $2.99. So bomb. I'm trying to open it and I'm struggling. But this highlighter, oh my god, get into it. So good. So bomb. These primers, I mean, yeah, these are going to go down with Holy Grail primers. Okay, so I don't want to boost it up too much. Right now, it's been an hour that I've had it on. So these, I just want to test out the longevity of this one because it's supposed to make your makeup last for a really long time. So I'm going to test this out maybe for 6 or 7 hours to see if the areas that I normally have my makeup spread apart on me on, if it holds a little bit better. Okay, dog is barking. Let him have his moments. Okay, so the areas that it usually goes away is like in my smile lines and then this area here. I'm guessing because I normally touch that area, especially when I'm working. I'm always like, I don't know why I touch this area when I'm working, but I do. So I do want to go ahead and test that out for you guys, and I'll update you. If not in the description box, then I will update you guys through a video. So be on the lookout for that. But honey, this makeup is so bomb. Like, I'm having a moment, you guys. So that wraps up today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you dolls later.